Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to make soft pretzels at home. But before I do that guys, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. With that said, let's get to our video of the day. Hey guys, so to start us off, you will have to add half a cup of warm milk to your mixing bowl. Then, after adding the warm milk to the mixing bowl, you will have to add 1 teaspoon of yeast. Okay, so after adding the yeast, you will have to add 4 tablespoons of sugar to the mixture. Now the sugar helps the yeast to react. And after doing this, you're going to leave this mixture for about 5 minutes. Let it rest for 5 minutes until the milk forms something like what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so after leaving it for 5 minutes, this is how it's going to look. All you have to do is just get a whisk and mix it up so that the sugar can dissolve in the mixture. After that, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for taste, and then add more sugar because we are making pretzels and pretzels are kind of sweet, so you add the sugar for taste basically. So yeah, after adding the sugar, just whisk it up, make it let the sugar and the salt dissolve in the mixture, and then after that you add 1 egg to the mixture and whisk it up. So the egg is to make our pretzel a little bit fluffy and airy, so just 1 egg is enough because I'm going to use 1 cup of flour, so 1 egg is enough. When everything has dissolved, just add your flour. So I believe this is a cup of flour, but you know, when you're kneading, you are going to have to add in a little bit of flour to the mixture. But for now, this is the flour I've used. This is a cup of flour basically. Yes, so let's see how this turns out. And just like I said, when you're kneading, you need to keep on adding flour gradually so that your dough can become a little bit firm and not watery. So yeah, let's see how this turns out.
Taxi on the beat.
Okay, while kneading, you'll also have to add 1 stick of melted butter to the mixture, and then you keep on kneading and kneading. So guys, let's see how this turns out. I'm using this spatula to knead, but later on I'm going to use my hands because I really need the dough to get into the butter. So yeah, this is what I'll do, but you can continue using a spatula if you do not want to get your hands soiled. But for now, I'm going to be using my hands to knead this dough to perfection. So yes guys, let's do this. So after kneading your dough, you'll have to leave it for 2 to 3 hours to let it rise and get fluffy. So I'm going to leave this here for 2 to 3 hours and go do something else. I'll come back after that and continue. Okay. Okay, now I forgot to show you guys how raisin dough looks like, but if you want to see how raisin dough looks like, go to my naan video, my recipe video for making naan, and check it out. So here we're going to cut the dough into small pieces and then roll them into balls before we turn them into pretzels. So yeah, this is what we'll do. So just keep watching this video and see how I go about this.
Taxi on the beat. Taxi on the beat. Taxi on the beat. Taxi on the beat.
Okay guys, so after designing our pretzels like this, I'm going to cover them and let them rest for an hour, and after an hour this is how they'll look all puffed up. And then we shall proceed on to the next step, which is dipping these pretzels in hot water mixed with bicarbonate soda. So yeah, this is what we shall do. Okay, so the reason I am dipping my pretzel dough in this alkaline solution is for my dough to change its pH level so that it can darken after baking, and also for it to get that crispy texture on the outside and a little bit chewy on the inside. So I'm going to show you what I mean at the end of the video. So yeah, let's get to this. Okay, so before we put our dough in the oven, we just have to glaze it up with a little bit of butter. Now the butter will give it a little bit smooth, the butter will give it a smooth texture, and it will also give it that nice crispy look. So yes guys, this is it. So after doing that, just bake your pretzels for 10 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. And after that, this is how they will turn out. Yummy, right? Yes guys, so these are our finished pretzels, and I'm just trying to put a little bit of honey on it.
Taxi on the beat.
So yes guys, that's our recipe for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was simple, and I hope you can try it out at home. Now with that said guys, I just want to ask you once again to please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. But if you have already done so, I just want to say thank you very much for the support. It really means a lot to me. So yes guys, that's all for today. I'll have to say bye for now, and until next time. So guys, bye.